I'll take them out of there.
What are you using there?
Pretty good. So we put that fragrance on, and we're going to turn it this way. Because some bees, instead of wanting to go down and out, are going to want to come out the edges. So all we got to do now is wait about 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll start taking the honey out.
So the whole goal is just to get them to go deep down in or to go somewhere else for a little while.
Right. So the bees that are in here protecting their honey are going to go down here or here. Some of them who don't want to go down are going to come out these little areas on top. And it's really a very nice fragrant smell. It doesn't smell bad at all.
You can really hear them working in there.
Yeah, you got a lot of bees in there. And now we'll get our next frame out. Here's another beautiful frame of honey. There's a little bit of it uncapped. So I want to get rid of these bees. Very gentle stroke so we don't hurt them. There they go. They're all gone. Getting too warm in that suit, John?
No, it's good.
We're going to work our way down. What you see under there is their honey that they get to keep for the whole winter. Look at this. Wow. But these were great. This one's very heavy for some reason. This one really feels like it weighs about 5 pounds because it's all capped honey on this side.
And what's that space there? Like they just...
I don't know. That's some extra comb that it's bridge comb. And this is some uncapped honey which we want to test to be sure the moisture level is okay. Now we're going to get some really nice frames of honey.
Let's take a look at that.
Some of it's capped, some of it's not. We'll test it for moisture, but we've had such low moisture that I don't think it's going to be an issue. Now here's a real nice frame of honey. This
and what makes that frame nice?
It's just all filled out. It's capped. The honey's underneath. They have a light layer of wax over it. Let's look at the other side. Beautiful.
Just hold that up into the sun. So that's what you're looking for?
Yeah, this is a beautiful frame of honey.
Now what does that weigh?
About 5 pounds, easy. Wow, look at this. That's a beauty. Put that in there. I got another one we put in there. This is just loaded with honey. Can you see that? Let me know if you're getting a picture of that.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
See, they're just filling this in now. They're capping that a little bit over, but it's fine. And then this whole side has been capped over. Just beautiful. That weighs at least 5 pounds. This one's very heavy too. Wow.
Let's see that one. And just hold it there for me real still for a minute.
See that? They're they're doing a little capping here, but we gotta get this off today. This is the second super for us, so that's really good. Look at this. This is magnificent. Wow. Picture perfect. Another, you can see it. These are completely capped over, beautiful frames of honey. This thing weighs 5-6 pounds. It's just loaded. Sit on, John?
Yeah, go ahead.
See, this is excellent because look how thick that comb is, and that's all filled with honey. And then if we look at the other side, it's not quite as thick, but it's beautiful frame of honey. And this was the end frame, which is unusual because my other end frames weren't getting filled up. So this has been the most active hive. We had a really good queen in this hive. So we're going to put this away now. It just sticks the hives together and we can...
Let's see that.
They actually got some honey in it.
And that's just there because they've run out of space, or are they just building?
They're just building in between. I'm going to leave it there for them. And now we're going to put their other box on. And the guard bees. They're so full. It's a real job to get out. Now here is a really great comb. They're not happy, as you can tell. We're not using any of the dropping. Look how nicely capped this is. Beautiful hive this one was. Some of the hives at this end always do better. Have to remember that for next year. Okay, now they go. Right underneath the, we don't want to ruin too much of the wax, see? See how beautiful that is? It's all natural honey.
Jack, move over so I can see you.
Bobby?
I'm putting this in the extract. Sure?
1 second. I'm gonna...
Jack, how does that taste? Take another taste. You're the official honey taster. Let's see.
John, you want to taste some? Here, stick your finger. Oh, that's okay. I'm going up first, taking the top part off. Now I'm going to take a stroke down, but I can't turn it towards you because I can't see, so I got to go like this on sort of an angle.
So you just remove the...
Just the white wax. That's all you want to do. Really thick, this one.
Bobby, can I take out a honey frame?
Yeah.
Thanks.
And now you're coming down at an angle.
Or else I'll hit myself.
I have an electric knife too.
Can I try cutting some of it off?
Sure.
Is it hard?
No.
We'll take out Mommy.
Let me just get this
Hi,
off.
Bobby.
So I'm just scratching this off. Because you don't want to get too deep in.
There's a bee, honey. You're right. Abby, there is a bee.
it sort of level like this. You don't want to get, you want to use the wood as a guide. There you go.
Oh, I see.
There you go. And what you don't get, we scrape off. There, very good. Good, very good.
Did I get too much off?
No, look, see how nice it is?
So then you just scrape this off
Yeah.
like that.
Now come down, start about here and work your way down. Do it on more of an angle, like, you know, this way. Tilt your knife like you're sawing through. Keep it up here. There you go. Good, very good. Good. Okay. I'm gonna do the other side.
Do you have to get that stuff up or that?
We can use this thing as you're sawing. There we go.
Can I get some more,
That's it.
honey,
That's all there is
mommy?
to it. Look at how good she's
Honey,
doing.
can I get
She's
some
better
more,
than I
honey?
am.
This is like waxing.
Let me get
The
some more,
beekeeper's
honey.
daughter.
Let me get some more, honey.
Now, Jack, it's real. Here, Jack, touch it over here.
I'm gonna wait until my mom's done. I don't
Good work, Jules. This over here.
You could eat this all day long.
These are not our best pies.
Let me
That's
check.
pretty
Let me eat some, honey.
That's a beautiful
Let me
thing.
check some, honey. Let me. Choose some. Oh,
Okay, you got it.
yeah.
Want to do more?
Get them.
Why do you
Start
have
up
to
here.
start at the top? Like,
A lot of people just, because otherwise you miss the top. You know? You can start anywhere you want. There's no. Now this is going to go in the spinner, like
see what
this.
I was doing? I'm gonna hold you up.
I'm going this
We
way.
now have
No,
6
no, wait.
uncapped frames in here. And
All right, let's see.
Look here, look here.
And the first thing we do is we're going to start spinning them real slowly. See? And you want to be sure that they're not wobbling, and they're not.
That's all, that then just takes all the honey out. Then we'll come out this bowl down.
Yeah, but it's going to take a while.
He's being fast.
Okay, now, and there's 2 filters. See this? There are 2 filters. A big filter and a small filter. So we're going to put this underneath here. We're going to open the gate. And slowly a little honey will begin to drip out. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Da-da-dum.
You got to do this for a little while.
Okay, so let Grandma put the camera over there.
Honey does not spoil, and we've tested the honey to be certain there's 18.6% or less moisture. And there's only how much, Julie?
16.
16. So we have very little moisture in our honey. So it will not ferment.
It's tight.
Maybe we should trade places.
I was thinking the same thing. Here, wait, let me-
Pure gold. Oop. Put them all. We better be sure.
That did the Charmin bathroom tissues and the